A common issue I see with my clients is sharing contacts and customer information between different platforms. You want to make sure that your CRM, your invoicing software, and your email marketing platform all have the same data without having to update it manually. If the software you use doesn't have a native integration to connect all these, one way around this is to use Zapier. Hi, I'm Marta, and welcome to the Studio Movellan channel. Here, you'll find helpful digital marketing and social media tips and how-tos to grow your small business. Be sure to subscribe below. Zapier is a web automation tool that connects various web apps and services, allowing users to automate and streamline workflows without having to code. Let's say I want to make sure anyone who contacts me on my website is automatically added to my newsletter subscription list. Here's how to set that up as a Zap. So if you don't already have an account, you're going to create one on Zapier.com. Once you set that up, you're going to go to the Create button in the upper left-hand corner to make your first Zap. Then you're going to select your trigger. In this case, my website is hosted on Squarespace, so I am going to start with that. Then I'm going to choose a trigger event. So I'm going to say when there's a new form submission, and then click Continue. Then I'm going to choose my form. So where you're going to find this is if you go to the back end of your website and you click the Edit button on your form, you're going to see the form name here. So then we're going to go back to Zapier, and I'm going to select Contact Form. Now I'm going to test. This is just a demo, but you can check often which is the most recent one, so then you can go and map accordingly when you're setting this up. Then I'm going to select my action. So that's going to be adding the contact to Flodesk, which is my email marketing platform. So then I'm going to choose my action. So in this case, you can pick between different things. You can add an existing subscriber to a segment, to a workflow, or just in this case, we're just going to create or update a subscriber. Now I'm going to map out how this is going to translate from Squarespace to Flodesk. So I'm going to pick whatever segment I'm going to add this to. So in my case, I want to add everyone to my email newsletter, which is summary. Then I'm going to click the slash button to map out and choose the ones that match up. And if I want to, I can just say newsletter tag if that's something that I would like to do. Now I'm going to test this step as well, so you make sure that Zapier is talking to Flodesk. Then we're going to click Publish. You want to make sure you rename your Zap up here so you know if you have a lot of Zaps, which one is doing what. So we're going to say Squarespace to Flodesk. And there you have it. This is just the beginning of what Zapier can do. It is capable of so much more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.